Good morning, students. Today I am going to take a poem that is Slum Children at Play. What do you mean by slum? Slum, S-L-U-M, slum means in Marathi we say no, Jhopadpatti, children from slum area where all the small houses, Jhopadpatti, poor children live there. So slum children at play means these children from this lower part of category, you can say, from Jhopadpatti, all these poor children, those who collect papers, those who collect bottles, those who collect other things, junk material, and they sell. So now they are at play. Now we will see what Ruskin Bond, the poet, says. The poor slum children lead a life of depression and neglect. Now see, the poor slum children lead a life of depression. Deprivation means what? Vanchitpana means they are left from some things. They are left from all the other work. They don't go to school. They don't study. They simply keep on playing. They live in small houses where hundreds of houses are together. They lead a life of deprivation means the act of depriving. The act of depriving means they try to avoid things. For example, not going to school, not listening to their parents. They do whatever they like. And neglect. Neglect means they don't take care of themselves. They don't take any notice of themselves. They fail to care themselves. Yet they are carefree and happy. Though they don't go to school, they don't listen to their parents, they don't think of their life, they are neglected from all the side. वो सब तरफ से उनको कोई बात की फिक्र नहीं रहती है, फिर भी दे आर केयर फ्री. केयर फ्री मीन्स दे आर वेरी फ्री. दे आर केयर फ्री मीन्स दे आर नॉट बॉदर्ड what their life will be tomorrow, and at the same time they are happy also. Those who sympathize with them and give them alms receive no word of gratitude. Those who sympathize with them, those who show sympathy, सहानुभूति, जो उनको सहानुभूति बताता है, प्यार बताता है, कुछ देता है, they give them alms. Alms means what? Something given to the poor, that is money, or some things they require, but they don't have a word of gratitude. They don't have a word of gratitude means what? They are not thankful for what you give, what you help them. They will never say you thanks. Slum children know that they are being helped to make amends. Slum children, these poor children, they know that they are being helped to make amends. Amends means loss, injury, what they are suffering from. वो जो हालत में रह रहे हैं उसकी मदद करने के लिए हम उनको मदद करते हैं, मगर उसके बारे में उनको कुछ भी उसके बारे में सहानुभूति नहीं है. As a kind of guilt. What do you mean by guilt? What they do wrong, they do not accept it. जो भी गलती करते, thanks नहीं बोलते, they do not say thanks. They are not thankful to the people who are helping them. They regret of done wrong things. उन्हें बुरा लगता है कि वो क्या गलत कर रहे हैं, बट दे डू नॉट रियलाइज दैट. Now we shall see what Ruskin Bond says about these children. Imps of mischief. Imps. What is the meaning of imps? Imps means devil, small devils. छोटे भूत हम बोलते हैं. They are like devils. You know devils are tempting. Devil भूत हमको सताते हैं. ऐसी कहावत है, हमने देखे नहीं है. Imps of mischief. तो Ruskin Bond is saying that they are devils of mischief. You see, my children, you children from standard 6 will not do mischief to that extent which will spoil your name, which will spoil your character, which will spoil your parents' name. But these children are not bothered. Whatever type of mischief they do, they are not bothered that their parents' name will spoil. Their name will spoil. Barefoot in the dust. Now see our children, wherever they go out of the house. They wear shoes, they wear chappals, they wear sandals. These children, slum children, they don't have proper clothes, so no problem of having shoes or slippers in their legs. They are barefooted in the dust. Grinning, mocking, even as they beg for a crust. Grinning. Grinning means what? Smiling. Though they don't have clothes, though they don't have food, though they are poor, though they are mischievous, but their mouth is open. They are laughing. Though they don't feel anything shame that they are laughing after they are so poor, they don't have anything. They are laughing. And mocking means what? Making fun of others. Making fun of others. They don't realize that they are poor. Their name will be spoiled. They beg for a crust. Crust means a slice of bread, a piece of bread. Roti ka tukda, bread ka tukda. They ask for that, but they do not realize that any problem will come to them. They beg for bread, but they behave as they lack. No angels these, they are not like angels. You know angels, Devdut, they are not like angels. Just hungry eyes and eager hand to help you sympathize. They will just show, they will beg, they will show they are very hungry. छोटा सा मुंह करते, they cry, they talk in different words, but they are not angels. They are eager hands, जो हाथ से भीख मांगते, to help you sympathize. ये सब क्यों करते? Why they are doing this all things? They cry, they beg, they kneel on their knees. For what? To sympathize you. सहानुभूति बताने के लिए कि हम गरीब है, हमको खाने के लिए नहीं है. We don't have anything to eat. You please give us something. They don't have love. They don't care for you. They don't care for their own brothers and sisters. They fight among themselves. They don't seek pity. उनको कुछ किसी की दया नहीं है. They are not feeling pity about themselves. उनके खुद के बारे में उनको दया नहीं है. उनके भाई बहनों की उनको दया नहीं है. They know there's nothing in this heartless city. और उनको मालूम है ये दुष्ट दुनिया में कोई किसी का नहीं है. That heartless means merciless, जो कोई दया नहीं करता है. Heartless, क्रूअल, दुष्ट. उनको मालूम है इस दुष्ट दुनिया में कोई किसी का नहीं है. Nobody is there. But a kindred need, but a kindred need in those who strive for power and pelf, though only just alive. In this, but a kindred need, उनको अपने परिवार का, रिश्तेदारों का कोई भी उनको प्यार नहीं है. They don't have love towards their family, towards their relation, towards our family or our relation. In those who strive, जो मेहनत करता है, स्ट्रगल करता है, those who struggle for power and pulp, for power, ताकत के लिए और पैसों के लिए, संपत्ति के लिए, उनको उससे कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. थ्रू ओनली जस्ट अलाइव दे नो योर गिल्ट. दो ओनली जस्ट अलाइव, वो सिर्फ जीवित है. दे आर ओनली अलाइव फॉर वॉट? दे नो योर गिल्ट. उनको मालूम है वो क्या गलती कर रहे हैं, वॉट रॉन्ग दे आर डूइंग. दे रिग्रेट फॉर दैट. जो वो कर रहे हैं उसकी गलती उनको महसूस होती है, मगर गरीब होने के नाते, उनको किसी का सहारा न होने की वजह से वो उसकी परवाह नहीं करते. दे विल टेक योर मनी एंड इफ यू गिव टू मच दे विल फाइंड यू फनी. दे विल टेक योर मनी, वो तुम्हारे पैसे लेंगे. दे विल टेक योर मनी. एंड इफ यू गिव देम टू मच, उनके ज़रूरत पूर्ति तुम देते हो, वॉट एवर दे रिक्वायर यू गिव इट, इट्स ओके. बट इफ यू गिव देम मोर, दे फील दैट इट इज़ फनी, दैट यू आर जोकिंग विद देम, यू आर फूलिंग विद देम, बिकॉज their requirement is less. And some people help the poor more than they require. And this help which is given more than requirement, these slum children, they think that you are funny. You are fooling with them. You are doing some wrong thing with them. Because that's what you are. You are just a joke. वो समझते हैं कि तुम एक सिर्फ जोक है, एक गम्मत जिसको हम बोलते हैं. वो तुमको कुछ भी समझते नहीं है. बिकॉज देयर लाइफ इज सच कि दे कीप ओनली वॉट दे रिक्वायर. दे डोंट हैव बैंक अकाउंट्स. दे डोंट हैव एनी सेविंग्स. They only see what they can get for a day, and they do not think of the other day. And if you give them more, they feel it is very funny for them, and they just think that it is a joke. Your life is soft. हमारा जीवन सुरक्षित है. सॉफ्ट यानी नरम नहीं, सुरक्षित है. And there's all grime and smoke. और उनका जीवन कैसा है? गंदा है. ग्राइम एंड स्मोक, सब धुआं ही धुआं है सब तरफ. उनके जीवन में सब गंदगी है. दे डू नॉट टेक बाथ फ्रॉम मेनी डेज. दे डू नॉट चेंज देयर क्लोथ्स. देयर लाइफ इज डर्टी. They themselves make their life dirty. They can have bath. They can change clothes. It's not they are without clothes. They have torn clothes. फटे हुए कपड़े हैं, उसको भी धो के वो पहन सकते हैं, मगर वो वैसा नहीं करते. And yet they shout and sing. Their life is so dirty. Their life is so miserable. इतना उनका जीवन खराब है, फिर भी वो चिल्लाते हैं और गाते हैं. They shout and sing. It is their life is not like our life. Their life is miserable. We are happy. We have got money. We stay in a good house. But I have not seen the children staying with a good family, shout or sing loudly or make mischief. But these children, after not having anything, their life is miserable. Sometimes they don't have food to eat. They beg for the food, but they are happy, they shout and sing. And do not thank your giving. As I told you before, you give them anything, whatever you want to give, or as much wealth you want to give, as much money you want to give. They have no word. They will not thank you for what you have given. You will fuss and fret through life. You will fuss and fret through life. You will fuss and fret through life. You will worry too much in your life about your children, about your family, about your way of living. But they will not. They are not bothered for anything. They are the children. They know God has given them birth. God has given them life. It is only to enjoy, मजा करने के लिए. Whatever they have, they are happy with that. While they do all the livings, while they enjoy their life, they are happy, they are glad with what they have. Throughout their life, they want to live in the same position. They do not think of studying, they do not think of going to school, they do not think to come up in their life. They only know to beg, spread their hands for bread. If people give, they will eat. If people will give them anything, they will not thank, but they will enjoy their life. So this is the life of the children who live in slum. So the Ruskin Bond says this is the type of living of the children who live in slum areas. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. The remaining part of the question answers I will put you in the next period. Thank you. Have a nice day.